हाय गाइस, आई एम नीलांजना एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग बनाने जा रहे हैं 3 डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ चिकन टिक्कास। व्हाट वी यूजुअली ऑर्डर इन द रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड व्हाट वी यूजुअली थिंक कैन नॉट बी replicated at home. But I'm going to be sharing my recipe with you, which I've been making for so many years now and everybody loves it and they taste pretty much as good as the restaurant chicken tikkas. The first is the chicken hariyali tikka, the second is the chicken kalimirch, and the third is the all-time favorite tandoori chicken tikka. Guys, before we start, I would like to share a tiny little tip with you, which is adding the salt right before stir frying the chicken instead of the marinade, because namak dalne se cheezein pani chhodti hain and we want our chicken to stay juicy and succulent. Proportion I will be sharing is for one single chicken thigh, and I will be making all the 3 marinades first. So for the first marinade, which is the kalimirch marinade, you will need a clove of garlic, a little bit of ginger, some kalimirch, like a teaspoon or so, and hung curd. If you do not have a muslin cloth, you can easily hang curd in a double-layered sieve and it works beautifully to drain out all the excess water, just like this. For the second recipe or the marinade, which is the hariyali chicken tikka marinade, you will need some ginger, some garlic, a big bunch of freshly broken cilantro leaves, just about a teaspoon or 2 of besan, and exactly that amount of hung curd. For the third marinade, which is the chicken tikka masala marinade, I've used the Everest chicken tikka masala. To that, I have again added some garlic, a little bit of ginger and hung curd. So guys, अब हमारे ये जो मसाले हम लोगों ने अपने जार में डाले हैं वो एक एक करके हम ग्राइंड कर लेंगे. And what we actually want is this kind of a consistency, which is like a paste, not too thin and not too thick. And now comes the chicken thigh, which is boneless, and I'm going to make some incisions in it, either with a fork or with a knife, जिससे मसाले अच्छे से पूरे chicken के अंदर तक घुस जाएं. I've used chicken thigh because chicken thigh is easier to cook than chicken breast and it is also a little more juicy. But do keep in mind, in terms of calories and fat, it is definitely more fattening than a chicken breast. So guys, we have nicely wrapped our chicken thigh boneless with the different marinades and इसको बहुत ही अच्छे से हमने पूरे chicken में लगा दिया है. And now we are going to quickly keep it in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour. And if you keep it overnight, the taste definitely goes to the next level. And उसके बाद जब भी आपको इसे बनाना हो तो पैन में थोड़ा सा घी या तेल and butter डालें and इसको pan fry करें. So guys, each side takes about 5 to 7 minutes to cook and become nice crispy brown from the outside. You need to cover it and cook it on high flame, but ensure that it doesn't get burnt. And after flipping it, you can check how well it is done. अगर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा मैरिनेड आपके पास बचा हुआ है तो you can slap it back onto the chicken thigh and then again flip it and let it become a little brown. It's just going to enhance the taste a little further. And just like that, you need to stir fry or pan fry all the other marinated chicken as well. And check it if it is well done or not. Let it brown from the outside so it looks pretty and tempting, and serve it with a platter of salad and tandoori roti, or just as a tikka with some nice chutney, and enjoy it. So guys, I hope that you've liked the chicken tikka here which I've made, and it is, believe me, such an easy recipe. I hope that you try it at home and do let me know if you do and how you liked it. My little tip also would be to just add less amount of ginger and garlic because उससे थोड़ा सा marinade कड़वा भी हो सकता है, especially in the pepper chicken. And also do not forget to add the salt right before stir frying. So with this, I end my video. I hope you like it. If you found this video beautiful and tempting and nice, do not forget to like it, comment on it, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. हेल्प करने के लिए मजा आया था शूटिंग में? सच्ची में, या तंग हो गई सुबह से लेके शाम तक?